Okay, one little tip. Make sure you have something to back this up with as a stop, like a clamp or something, to make it easier to push in your dowel. This makes it exponentially easier. So there you go. Okay, so earlier in the video I did mess up here, but that's not a big deal. I started on this corner and went this way with this on top. If that is the case, especially with the 1/2 inch plywood, this is as thin as you can go with the dowler. So I'm going to start here and go this way, so the height will be the same. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this around so everything will be flush, and then once I'm done I can trim it. So here we go. There you go. Now I didn't put a dowel in every hole. I did every other one because it's not necessary. So that looked like it worked fine. Let's make sure it aligns properly. Okay, the dry fit worked. So I'm gonna glue it up, and there you go. This is pretty smooth. It's not perfect, but I also rushed it a bit because this is just something for the garage, but there you go. Since I didn't do every single dowel, I just made a little tick marks for the ones I'm going to do in the glue up. And these longer lines are just for helping it to align it initially. So there you go. There's a lot of drama with that glue up. So yeah, there it is.